What happens to your body when you do resting squats 5 minutes every day? Think sitting on a chair is relaxing? Wrong. The real secret to transforming your body is sitting on your worst nightmare, the resting squat. 5 minutes a day. That's all it takes. And here's what happens. Your hips, they loosen up like a rusty door getting fresh oil. Your knees, they stop creaking like an old staircase. Your spine, it realigns. And suddenly your posture screams, I don't text with a hunchback anymore. But here's the wild part. Studies show cultures that rest and squats daily have way fewer joint problems as they age. Imagine being 70 and still able to squat down like you're tying your shoes at 20. Wait, stop. Don't roll your eyes. Try squatting right now. Yeah, you. Bet your heels are popping up, right? That's your body screaming. Why did you abandon me for chairs all these years? Do this for 5 minutes a day and your hips open up, digestion improves, blood flows better, and suddenly, sitting in a chair feels like the unnatural position. Here's the kicker. The first week feels like torture, but stick with it, and you'll unlock a mobility cheat code most people lose forever. So, will you sit back down in your chair, or are you brave enough to reclaim the squat your ancestors mastered? Drop a comment if you tried it right now. Hit like if your heels betrayed you, and share this with that one friend who can't even bend without groaning.